Hello sir, like this is your product. I remove the template, just showing you how to update in the future. So like that you have a description like that simply. So first of all, open your code, select all and copy. Now open this link, I sent it already. Paste your code in the first section here. Now click on mix slots. When you click here, some fields appear like that: title, image 1 2 3 4 5 6. It's are 10 images total, and after description. So we need to copy one by one all of them. So start of title, so simply copy your title, copy and paste. Now 5 images. From you click to enlarge, then right click and copy image address. Remember, copy image address, copy and paste. For the second image, copy and paste. The third image, copy and paste. Again copy, always copy image address and paste. Copy image address and paste. Copy image address and paste. Now when all images done, like you have now 6 images, so uncheck these four boxes. When you uncheck these four boxes, this box will be not show in the template, like this. Uncheck. If you have any empty box, you can uncheck. So now the 6 images address. Now for description, so simply copy your description, copy, simply copy. Now open this tool we use to convert the text into HTML. Paste your text here. You can write here, you can edit here text, anything you can do it. And now click on HTML. When you click here, this code is ready for description. So simply copy and paste in description section. Paste. Now everything is done, like title, images and description. So simply click on make code. When you click here, this code is ready for eBay. So select all, copy code. Now edit your product. Go on bottom. Now click on see all option. When you click here, this pop-up will be box. So click on see more option. When you click, and now click on HTML. When you click here, this code is HTML. So simply remove all old code and paste your new code that we copied. Paste. Now again uncheck. When you uncheck, your preview is ready, as you can see. So now I will publish it, and this product is already open. So I will refresh. Simply refresh. When you refresh, template is showing. I hope you understand. Thanks.